Sakib Zamlikar, student of TYCSE ADCT. This is our ISC 1 Activity 1 under the Entrepreneur Development Program subject. So in this video, I will introduce one of the scheme from the Government of India for entrepreneurs or basically for the small scale industries. So those were the contents of my slide. In this slide, I will cover title of the my presentation, introduction, objective of this scheme, key compositions, implementation benefits, and at last I will conclude. So this is my title for my presentation. So zero defect, zero effect scheme for promoting the quality assurance of manufacturing for the entrepreneurs. So in this PPT, I will briefly introduce about the overview of zero defect, zero effect scheme by the government. It's launched in 2014 by our Honorable Prime Minister of India under the Make in India campaign. It's aimed to promoting the manufacturing and eco-friendly process among the Indian entrepreneurs. So next, primary goals of this zero defect, zero effect scheme. The first goal is to ensuring the zero defect in the products manufactured in India. Second, the minimizing the environmental impact of manufacturing activities. Third, is promoting a quality, consequence and sustainability among the entrepreneurs. Enhancing the competitive of the Indian industries, demonstrating the international markets. Moving further, those were the key components for the ZED schemes. First, quality improvement. In quality improvement, implementing the state quality control measures throughout the product process. Second, environment sustainability, promoting the energy efficiency, waste reduction, and eco-friendly technologies. Further, capacity capability building. It's providing the transport support. Inactive MNCs improve their manufacturing process. Again, recognition and certifications. Certifying the enterprises, demonstrating the excellence quality and environmental management. And last key feature is the ZED schemes, access to the finance. Facility accessing throughout the pre-rental lending rates, subsidies and credit guarantees. So next point of my PPT is implementation. First, implementation processes. How it implements this scheme is mentioned over here. First, participations. The MSMEs can voluntarily enroll the ZED scheme program. Second, assessment. Enterprises undergoes based on the ZED payments and criteria, parameters and criteria. Training and supports. The training, workshops, seminars, expert guidance are provided, enhancing the capabilities. Last one, certifications. Enterprises ZED standards receive the certification and recognition. So benefit of ZED scheme. First, improve the product quality, enhance the quality control measures. Second, environmental conservation, adopted for the eco-friendly processes, reduces the environmental effects. Last one, access to the finance. So access to the finance support their growth and their company expenditures. So yes, impact of ZED schemes. First, strengthening the India manufacturing. Second, global recognition. This scheme gives the identity to their products. Again, economic growth. It helps to increase in infrastructure growth, investment in the various technology, and also helpful for the getting the finance from the another money lenders, local money lenders. Last, environmental conservation. The adaptation of eco-friendly constant and this helps to the environmental growth and sustainability. So here I am concluding my topic. Because of the various government schemes like the ZDS, Mudra Yojana, the government helps to the entrepreneurs to develop their idea, invest on their idea. They found this various subsidy for them, and for this it helps to grow up the industry at very large scale, and also it helps to the Indian economy and gives the employment to the various sectors, and and it get a very good platform for the various innovative idea in the for the Indian entrepreneurs. So thank you for watching this video.